Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoom cloud recordings for AI transcription step by step clearly. To backup your Zoom cloud recordings for AI transcription, start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the recordings section on the left sidebar. Select cloud recordings to view all your saved recordings. Choose the specific recording you want to backup. Click on the recording title to open its details page. Here, you will find options to view and download the files. To download the recording, look for the Download button. Click on the Download button for the audio and video files. These files will typically be in .mp4 format. If you need the audio-only version, locate the audio file under the recording details. Click on the download link for the audio file, usually in .m4a format. Once all desired files are downloaded, organize them in a designated folder on your computer. It's helpful to name the files for easy reference later. After organizing, you can utilize transcription software or services for AI transcription. For easy access, consider uploading these files to a cloud storage service. This ensures that your recordings are safe and can be accessed from anywhere. Finally, check if the transcription needs any formatting or adjustments after processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.